Hi everyone! It's been very hot summer in east coast of US. How's the weather by your area? And today we're going to have no sweat cooking. We're going to make very quick and easy bok choy and dry tofu salad. I have like 3 stocks of baby bok choy. I just got it from supermarket. That's so fresh because it's smaller than the regular bok choy. And first we're going to just blanch it quickly. And I have the dry tofu, that's 5-spice dry tofu, and it's ready to eat. So this is 8 ounce. I'm going to just use 2 pieces, 2/3 of it, about 5-6 ounce. Look like that. Take 2 pieces. And back to our bok choy. The water already reboiled. Now let's turn off the heat. Take out the bok choy and right into our ice water. After that, you can take it out. Just so fresh, right? So green. I love bok choy. It's good to stir fry, to make salad, put in the soup. And here's our dry tofu. Actually, I'm just quickly putting the ice water. Now we cut into dices. Okay, it's this way. Yeah, I have this dish, similar dish, at a restaurant. I really liked it, although they used a different vegetable. And you can also use like a spinach or other leafy vegetables. We cut this into dices. And same thing with the bok choy. We cut into kind of same form, same size. That's one of the tips about the Chinese cooking. So your ingredients should be in the same form. Oops, drop one. Go this way. Okay, now we chopped up the bok choy and our dry tofu. Now we just need to get rid of the water. So I have a cheesecloth. You can use a paper towel. Let's put in the, need some space. Bok choy. Now we wrap it. Get rid of the water. Okay, put in now. Mixing bowl. Nice and dry. And this dressing is so simple. So what do we need? Just a little bit sea salt and sesame oil. about a teaspoon to your own taste. Let's have a taste. It's good. Love the crunchiness of bok choy. Need a little bit more sesame oil. So that's that. Now let's plate it. Perfect. It's one bowl of the salad. Press down. Now we're going to flip it. Wish me good luck. 1, 2, 3. Nice, right? Isn't it? That's fine. It's not perfect. And last, we just sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. And our salad is ready. It's very, very simple, refreshing bok choy and the dry tofu salad. Hope you guys enjoy it. And it goes well with the noodles, with the rice. And when you don't want to do stir fry, just do the salad. And as easy as boiling water. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.